Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 2. Now we are going to solve exercise 1.5. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 1.5. First question. Write the following decimal numbers in the place value table. First one, 247.36. Second one, 132.105. Listen here. First one, 247.36. Listen, these are the whole numbers. So ones, tens, hundreds. Here, tenth, hundredth. So write in the table. Ones place is what? 7. Tens place 4. Hundreds place 2. Tenth place is 3. Hundredth place 6. So that is the answer. Next one, 132.105. Listen here. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here tenth, hundredth, thousandth. So ones, tens, hundreds. Here tenth, hundredth, thousandth. So answer, ones 2, tens 3, hundreds 1, tenth 1, hundredth place is 0, and thousandth place 5. So that is the answer. Second sum, write each of the following as decimal number. Listen here, decimal number means with the point. So answer, first one, 300 plus 5. These are the whole numbers. So add this numbers means we get 305. These are the decimal part. That is 7 by 10th means it is in 10th place. So 7. 100th place, that is 9. Next one, 1000th place, that is 2. So 305.792 is the answer. Next one, 1000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. These are the whole numbers. So add this numbers means 1000 plus 400, 1400 plus 30, 1430 plus 2, 1432. So answer is 1432. Point, 10th place is 6 and 100th place is 7. So that is the answer. Next one, third question, which is greater. Listen, 0.888 and 0.28. Listen, the whole number, both are same, 0. So next, 10th place 8, here 2. So which one is greater here? 0.888 is the greatest one. So greater number is 0.888. That is the answer. Next one, 23.914. Here 23.915. Listen, the whole numbers, both are same, 23. Now decimal part, first 10th place 9, 9, same. So next 100th place 1, 1. That is also same. Next one, 1000th place, that is 4, here 5. So which one is greater? 5 is the greatest one. So greater number is 23.915. That is the answer. Fourth sum. In a 25 meter swimming competition, the time taken by the 5 swimmers A, B, C, D and E are 15.7 seconds, 15.68 seconds, 15.6 seconds, 15.74 seconds and 15.67 seconds respectively. Identify the winners. Listen. They given the time taken of the 5 swimmers. Time taken by 5 swimmers. A of 15.7 seconds. A. B 15.68 seconds. C 15.6 seconds. D 15.74 seconds. And E 15.67 seconds. Listen, compare the seconds. That is 15.7, 15.68, 15.6, 15.74, 15.67. Listen, which one is greater? That is the time taken means who reached the destination within short period. That is the winner, right? Here we have to see the smallest number. That is the short period. No? So smallest number is 15.7, 15.6. Here 15.6, 15.67, 15.68. So listen. All the numbers, whole numbers are 15, right? So we have to see the 10th place. Here 7, here 6, 6, 7, 6. So 6 is the smallest one. In this 3 numbers, 10th place is what? Here 8, here nothing is there means 0 and 7. Which one is smallest one? 0. So C is the winner. That is the answer. Fifth one, convert the following decimal numbers into fraction. We already seen that. Listen, first one, 23.4. Answer in fraction. We have to convert into fraction. So write the number as it is without the point. What I have told, that is, after the decimal point, how many digits are there? 1 digit means in denominator we have to put 10, right? So 234 divided by 10 is the answer. Next one. Here 46.301. Write the number without the decimal point. So 46301. 46,301 divided by, after the decimal point, how many numbers are there? Digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So what we have to put here? 1000. So 46,301 divided by 1000 is the answer. Next one. Sixth. Express the following in kilometers using decimals. We have to convert into kilometer. They given in meter. So first one. How many meters are there in 1 kilometer? That is 1000. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Now they given 256 meter. That is equal to 256 divided by 1000. We have to change in decimal form. So how will you write that in decimal? 3 zeros. So write down the number 3 zeros in denominator. So before 3 digit we have to keep the point 1, 2, 3. So before that we have to keep the point. Here no digit or there, no number. So put 0. So 0.256 kilometer. That is the answer. Next one. 4,567 meter. So write down in same procedure. 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Now they given 4,567 meter. So 4,567 meter 67 divided by 1000. Now write in the decimal form. Write down the number. Here in denominator 3 zeros. So before 3 digit we have to keep the point. So 1, 2, 3. Before that we have to keep that. So 4.567 kilometer. That is the answer. Seventh sum. There are 26 boys and 24 girls in a class. Express the fraction of boys and girls as decimal numbers. Listen. First thing, you have to write the number of boys equal to 26. Number of girls equal to 24. So total number of students. Total students equal to how much? 26 plus girls 24. So totally 50 students. Now what they ask? Express the fraction of boys and girls as decimal numbers. So number of boys in fraction. In fraction, less than how much? Out of 50. Total number of students 50. In that, how many students are boys? 26. So 26 divided by 50 is the fraction form. Next, in decimal form, equal to, listen, 26 divided by 50. 26 divided by 50. What we have to multiply with 50 by number is 2, we get 100. That same number we have to multiply with numerator also. So how much? 26 into 2, that is 52 divided by 100. So 52 divided by 100 means, in decimal form, 52, write the number. Here denominator is 2 zeros. So before two digits we have to keep the point. So 0.52. That is a decimal form of the boys. Next one. Now number of girls in fraction. Same procedure. Number of girls is 24 out of 50. So in decimal, 24 divided by 50. What we have to multiply with 50? We get 100 means 2. Same number we have to multiply with numerator also. Now 24 into 2, 48 divided by 100. So 48 divided by 100 means 0.48. That is the answer. Eighth sum. Write the following amount using decimals. Listen. They given 809 rupees and 99 paise. We have to change in decimal. First write down 809 rupees plus 99 paise, that is 1 paise equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So we have to change in rupees. So 99 divided by 100 rupees. So 809 plus 99 by 100 means 99. Here denominator 2 zeros. So before 2 digit we have to keep the point. Here no number is there. So put 0 for that. Now add this one, 809 plus 0.99. 809 plus 0.99. Here nothing is there means put the 0 after the point. So add this number, we get 809.99 rupees. That is the answer. Next one, 147 rupees. Change 70 paise into rupees means 70 by 100 rupees. Now both are in rupees. So 147 plus 70 by 100, we get 0.70. Now add this numbers means we get 147 0.70. So add, so 147.70, that is rupees. That is the answer. Ninth sum. Express the following in meters using decimals. Listen. 1328 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to, express in meters. So, write down 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Now, they given 1328 centimeter. So, 1328 centimeter equal to 1328 divided by 100. Now, express in decimal form. So, write down the number. How will you put the decimal point? Here denominator is 100. So, there is 2 zeros. So, before 2 digit we have to keep the point, means we get 13.28. What is that? Meter. So, that is the answer. Next one. 419 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. That is the format. Now, 419 centimeter equal to 419 divided by 100. So, now keep the point, means 2 zeros. So, before 2 digit we have to keep the point. So, 4.19 meter is the answer. 10th sum. Express the following using decimal notation. Listen, first one. 8 meter 30 centimeter in meters. We have to change in meters totally. So, first step, 8 meter 30 centimeter. So, that is 8 meter plus 30 centimeter. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So, now 8 meter plus change into meter, that's 30 centimeter into meter. So, how much? 30 divided by 100 meter. Now, 8 meter plus 30 divided by 100, that is, write down 30, denominator 2 zeros, before 2 digit we have to keep the point. So, 0.30 meter. Now, both are in meter, no? Add these numbers, we get 8.00. After decimal there is no whole number, means 8.00. Here 0.30. So, add this one, we get 8.30. 8.30 meter. That is the answer. Now, here 24 kilometer, 200 meter in kilometers. 24 kilometers and 200 meter. Change into kilometer. Write down 24 kilometer plus 200 meter. Listen, we know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Now, 24 kilometer, change this meter into kilometer, means 200 divided by 1000. Now change into kilometer. Now 24 kilometer plus 200 divided by 1000 means 0.200 200 kilometer. Now add this one means we get 24.0 plus 24 after the decimal point here only, so that is 200 kilometer. That is the answer. Next one, 11th sum. Write the following fraction as decimal numbers. Listen here, 23 by 10,000. Answer. Write the numerator. Listen, here in denominator 4 zeros are there. 10,000 means 4 zeros. 4 digit before we have to keep the point. But here 2 zeros only. So before 2 digit only. So before that we add 2 zeros. Before that. Okay. So 10,000 4 digit. 4 zeros, so 4 digit before we have to keep the point, but here 2 3, that is 2 digit only. So before that you had 2 zeros. Now 1 2 3 4 digit before we keep the point. Now whole number is not there, so 0.0023 is the answer. Next one, 421 divided by 100. 421. Listen, before 2 digit, because 100 is here, so before 2 digit we have to keep the point, means 4.21 is the answer. Next one, 37 by 10. Write down 37. Here 10 only in denominator. There is 1 0. So 1 digit before we have to keep the point. 1. 7 only. Before that we keep the point. So 3.7 is the answer. 12th sum. Convert the following decimal into fractions and reduce them to the lowest form. Listen. First we have to convert into fraction. How will you convert that? Write the numbers without the decimal point. So that is 2125 divided by how many digits after the decimal point? That is 1 2 3. So 1000 we have to put here. So it is in fraction now. And then simplify that, reduce that into lowest form. First divided by 5. We get divided by 5 means both the numbers are divisible by 5. So 4 5s are 20, balance 1, it becomes 12. 2 5s are 10, balance 2, it becomes 25. So 5 5s are 25. Here divided by 5 means we get 2. Put the 2 zeros means 200. Now write down the remaining numbers. 425 divided by 200. Now again both are divisible by 5. Listen, 8 5s are 40, balance 2, it becomes 25, so 5 times. Here 4 5s are 20, put the 0 means 40. Now write down the number 85 by 40. Now again divided by 5. Both the numbers are divisible by 5. How many times? 1 5 is 5. Balance 3. It becomes 35. So that is 17. Here how much? 8 5s are 40. So what is the last number? 17 by 8. Hereafter not possible to divide that numbers. So that is the lowest form. That is the answer. Got it? Next one. 0.0005. Write down in fraction form. Write the number. Full numbers means 00005. So zeros are not valid. So write the number 5 divided by, after the decimal point, how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4. So 4 zeros we have to put, means 10,000. Now both the numbers are divisible by 5. Divided by 5 means we get 5 ones are 5. Here 5 twos are 10. So 1 by, put the remaining zeros, that is 2000. So 2000. Hereafter it is not possible to divide. So that is the lowest form. That is the answer. 13th sum represents the decimal numbers 0.07 and 0.7 on a number line. Listen, in between 1 and 0 and 1, that is centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. In 1 millimeters also 10 micromillimeters, that is 0.01, 0.02. So we have to listen, in between 0.0 and 0.1, 10 micromillimeters, that is 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07, 0.08, 0.09, 0.1. Like that, here we find out 0.07. So 0.01 to 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07. That is 0.07. Next 0.7, that is here 0.7. So that is the answer. Next one, 14th. Write the following decimal numbers in words. Listen, 4.9. So 4 in ones and 9 tenths. 9 tenth. And second one, 220.0. So 220.0. So 0 in 10th place. So no need to write. and write down. And 0/10. Next one 0.7, that is 0 and 7/10. Next one 86.3. So answer is 86 and 3/10. 3/10. That is the answer. 15th sum. Between which two whole numbers the given numbers lie? Listen, 0.2. So 0.1, 0.2. Here 0.2. It lies in between 0 and 1. So first answer 0 and 1. Next one 3.4. Here 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4. Here 3.4. It lies in between 3 and 4. So answer 3 and 4. Next one 3.9. Listen, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. Here 3.9. So it lies in between 3 and 4. Fourth one 2.7. Listen, 2 is here, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7. So 2.7 is here. So it lies in between 2 and 3. Right? So answer 2 and 3. Next one 1.7. 1 is here. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. So it is 1.7. So it lies in between 1 and 2. Next one 1.3. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So it is also in between 1 and 2. So that is the answer. 16th sum. By how much is 9/10 kilometer less than 1 kilometer? By how much? That is difference. We have to find out the difference. So express in same decimal form. First one 1 kilometer. 1 minus 9/10. So that is equal to 10 into 1, 10 minus 9 divided by 10. That is equal to 10 minus 9, 1. 1 by 10. Now write the numerator. Here denominator 10 is there. So one number before we have to keep the point, means 0.1 kilometer. That is the answer. Here exercise 1.5 is over. So children, practice well. I see again in next exercise. Thank you.